Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk you through how to delete videos on Telegram in just a few simple steps. If you've ever sent or received a video that you no longer need, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do to remove it permanently and keep your chats clean and organized. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and that your app is up to date. A quick update can prevent any small bugs or menu differences that sometimes show up in older versions. Once you're inside Telegram, head over to the chat where the video you want to delete is located. This could be a private conversation, a group chat, or even a saved message thread. Scroll through the chat until you find the video you want to remove. Next, tap and hold the video. After holding it for a moment, you'll see some options appear at the top of your screen. Look for the trash bin or the delete icon. It's usually located in the upper corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Telegram will then ask you to confirm your choice before the video is deleted. This step helps make sure you don't remove something by accident. You'll usually see two choices: delete just for yourself or delete for everyone. Choose the option that works best for your situation. Once you confirm, the video will be removed from the chat and you're done. It's that simple. Deleting old or unnecessary videos not only clears up chat space, but also helps keep your Telegram running smoothly. And that's all it takes. In just a few quick taps, you've successfully deleted a video on Telegram. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips that make managing your apps and devices easier every day.